I'm Web Chef Kimberly Turner, here talking about WineVirgin, a virtual wine and culinary experience. You know, I'm often asked what wines go with certain dishes I prepare. So I'm here to share with you our wine and culinary experiences to share with your family and friends. Together, we'll explore the exciting world of food, the art of cooking, wine appreciation, and the lifestyle that goes with it. We'll visit select wineries across Niagara and Ontario wine country, and talking with the winemakers and staff to get a virtual wine tasting experience. Join me on this journey to explore how this dish and others can be easily made at home and the wine to serve with it. You'll also get tips on hosting ideas to make your event a success. For now, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Hideout TV under WineVirgin and Cooking with Kimberly. See you soon.